Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AWS Cognito user pools for MFA and password policies, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update AWS Cognito user pools for MFA and password policies, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service in the console. Select the user pool that you want to update from the list of your existing user pools. Once your user pool is open, click on the MFA and Verifications tab. In the MFA section, you will see options for enabling multi-factor authentication. Choose your preferred MFA setting, either off, optional, or required. If you select optional or required, specify the second factor types you want to use, such as SMS or time-based one-time passwords. Navigate to the Policies tab within your user pool. Under the Password Policy section, configure your desired password requirements. You can set the minimum password length and determine whether to require special characters, numbers, and uppercase letters. If desired, enable password expiration by selecting the corresponding option. You may also set up a custom message for password-related events if you wish. Once all adjustments have been made, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. After saving, navigate back to your user pool overview to verify that your changes have been applied. You may want to further test your MFA settings by creating a new user or updating an existing user's settings. For testing, ensure that your chosen second factor option is functioning as expected. Document the changes made for future reference and compliance purposes. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your AWS Cognito user pool for MFA and password policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.